guys, welcome to this session. My name is Emerike Adaeze. I'm a STEM education facilitator at BT Infotech Solutions. Yes, I know my table is full, but this is because we'll be conducting a fun experiment today. We'll be checking to see if a product is acidic in nature or if it's a base. This experiment is similar to what you do with your litmus paper. There are two major things you need. First, you need an indicator, and then you have your products or substances to check with the indicator to see if that product is acidic or if it is a base. First of all, what we'll do is to prepare our indicator solution, and we'll be doing that with a red cabbage. So now to prepare this solution, I'll take this bowl. Now let me clear this up. I'll peel off some of this cabbage into the bowl. I'll be taking quite a lot. You can get this cabbage in your supermarkets or in the market, at your grocery stores too. Okay, now I have enough quantity, and I'll be adding water to it. I'll be adding water just enough to cover. There we go. And then now you go in with your hands and mash to extract the color you're looking for. This might take quite some time. Now guys, you should note that it is not the cabbage in itself that is the indicator. It is the color pigment in it called flavin. So I'll continue immersion. We'll be aiming to get a very purple liquid. And that will be our indicator solution. It's turning purple gradually. We'll just continue immersion. Yeah, as you can see now, the color is intense purple. That is at least what you'll be aiming for. Now the next thing you do is filter the solution. That is why I have this sieve. Okay, so just pour it in. And now you have your indicator solution. I'm using this transparent container so that you can actually see the color, and then for these ones I'll be using them to run the test so you can see the color change when a product is being combined with this solution. Okay, so now I'm going to pour our indicator solution into these containers and then try out these three products to see which of them is actually acidic and which one is a base. So guys, we have all 4 of them. Will be our control. We'll be using the indicator solution here to compare with the outcomes of these ones once we've tried out these 3 products. And then first I'll be going with carbonated drink. I'm using Sprite because it is colorless. I'll pour a little bit of this in here. Now you see the solution turned pink in comparison to these ones. That is to tell us that there is acid in this carbonated drink. And next I'll be going with the bleach. If a product is acidic, an opposite of it will be a product that is basic. Trying out this bleach, hypo, you can actually use anyone at your disposal, or jig, whatever. And then I'll pour a little bit of it in here. Now if you look carefully, you see that our liquid, our solution, turned green. So it means that acid turns this solution pink and a base turns it green. Now let's try out the third and the last product, a detergent. It's clean actually. Yes, this color. Now this is obviously basic in nature because our solution turned green thoroughly. So now guys, you can try out other products you have at home, your toothpaste, your vinegar, your ketchup, whatever substance you have in the house you want to try out. Prepare your indicator solution, pour them out in containers, and then add the substance to see what color change or effect it gives you. I'll further explain what an acid or a base is. Whether a liquid or a substance is considered an acid or a base actually depends on the kind of ions it contains. There is the hydrogen ion represented with H+, and there is also the hydroxide ion represented with OH-. When a substance has more H+ ions, that substance is acidic, but when there is more OH- ions, it is considered basic. In a case where there are equal amounts of both ions, that substance or solution becomes neutral. An example of a neutral solution is water. And this brings us to the end of the experiment. Try it out, guys, and let's see your results. Stay tuned.